Welcome to the second day of Tech Gyan, the second lesson of Introduction to Computers. Myself, Professor Jessie Julian from Department of Computer Science, Trinity College, Jalandhar. Today, we are going to study history and the evolution of computers, generation of computers, and types of computers. From the previous lesson, we have learned that computer is a machine that manipulates data according to a list of instructions. Computer is any device which aids human in performing various kinds of computation of calculations. It responds to a specific set of instructions in a well-defined manner. It can execute pre-recorded list of instructions. It can quickly store and retrieve large amount of data. The earliest computer. About the history, we are going to start about the origin. Originally, calculations were computed by humans, whose job title was computers. These human computers were typically engaged in the calculation of mathematical expressions. The calculations of this period were specialized and expensive, requiring years of training in mathematics. The first use of word computer was recorded in 1613, referring to a person who carried out calculation or computations, and the word continued to be used in that sense until the middle of 20th century. The first calculating device was the tally sticks. In early days, people used to use bones, sticks to calculate or to count, to even store the messages. Tally stick was one of them. It was used as a memory device to record, document numbers, quantities, and even messages. Then came the existence of abacus. Abacus is a mechanical device used to aid an individual in performing mathematical calculations. The abacus was invented in Babylonia in 2400 BC. But we all know that it was again become famous and it was first used in China around 500 BC and used to perform basic arithmetic operations, and it marks the first step to the computer generation. After that, Napier bones were developed, and it was invented by John Napier in 1614, and this device was able to multiply, divide, and calculate. Even they are able to find out square root and cube root. After that, slide rules has come in 1622. It was generally based on Napier's device, and this device was also able to multiplication, divisions, finding roots, logarithms, and even trigonometry. But there was one drawback found that the addition and subtractions were not able to conduct by these devices. Then Pascaline machine was invented by Blaise Pascal in 1642, and it again contains the limitation of addition and subtractions, and moreover it was a very expensive device. Then after that, Gottfried find out another device, step recorder, that is in 1672. This machine was able to add, subtract, multiply, and even divide automatically. So that led to a great step in mathematical field. After that, arithmometer has come. It was a commercially successful calculating machine, and they were performed all the 4 basic mathematical functions, and it was the first mass produced calculating machine. That lead to find the invention of difference engine and analytic engine, and these were then automatic and mechanical calculator designed to tabulate polynomial functions, and it was invented by Charles Babbage in 1822 and 1834, and it became the first mechanical computer. So Charles Babbage is known as the father of computer. And after that, because of this invention, computer programs were developed, and Augusta Ada was the first lady computer programmer, and she wrote programs for the analytical engines. After that, based on Charles Babbage's difference engine, the first printing calculator was invented. Then tabulating machine has invented for summarizing information and accounting. These all lead to the way of finding the first electromechanical computer, Mark I. And it was known as IBM Automatic Sequence Controlled Calculator, invented by Howard and Aiken 1943, and became the first electromechanical computer. After finding the electromechanical computer, the first programmable computer invented, that was Z1. And the program for the Z1 required that the user insert punch tape into punch tape reader and for the output and the input. Then came the first electronic digital computing device, ABC computer. It was very famous computer and developed in between 1939 and 1942. Again, these all lead to the great invention of ENIAC, stands for Electronic Numerical Integrator and Computer. It was the first electronic general purpose computer, and that was completed in 1946, developed by John Presper and Eckert and John Marshall. After that, UNIVAC 1, that was the universal automatic computer invented for the commercial purpose and became the first commercial computer. Then EDVAC was invented, and it was the first stored program computer, and the memory became vast and hold stored program as well as data in it. Then the first portable computer was invented, that was Osborne 1, and it was released in 1981 by Osborne Computer Corporation. Before inventing this portable computer, many years ago, the first computer company was developed. It was Electronic Control Company, ECC, and it was founded in 1949. So this great invention led to the various generation of computers.